scissors so that I could give you guys a fair and honest review. Let's take a look. When you open up the package, you are going to be just so impressed with how functional these are. There are so many ways that you can use these. From the really sharp blades, you are going to be able to accomplish so many things in the kitchen. The end has a bottle opener. The outside of the scissors is perfect for fish. And then obviously the inside is super sharp to be able to cut cardboard and paper, poultry. There are so many different uses. I was going to make some sausage for dinner, and I just wanted to show you how incredibly easy it was to be able to cut through the sausage. It honestly felt like you were cutting through a few pieces of paper with scissors. These are so sharp and so easy to use. I absolutely recommend these for anybody that is looking for a pair of kitchen scissors, something that you can use on so many different kinds of meats and fish and so many other ways inside of the kitchen. These are really versatile to have, easy to clean, they separate, and they are dishwasher safe, which I absolutely love. They're really comfortable to hold, and they have a really nice grip to them. So these are definitely something I will always have in the kitchen and continually find new ways that I can use these.